Have you ever woken up and felt like something was off? Imagine waking up one morning, and the world is silent. Eerily silent. You look outside, and the sky is a strange, dusty color. The news reports are chaotic. The oceans, they're gone. Vanished. Overnight. What would happen next? The immediate change wouldn't just be the massive, empty canyons where the Atlantic and Pacific used to be. It would be the air itself. Oceans are the planet's massive air conditioner and humidifier. Without them, the atmosphere would dry out almost instantly. This means extreme temperature swings. Days would become unbearably hot, scorching the land under a relentless sun with no oceanic clouds to offer shade. Nights would plunge into freezing cold, as there's no water vapor to trap the day's warmth. Our planet's climate moderator would be gone in a flash. The ground beneath our feet would become a terrifying new frontier. The newly exposed ocean floor, miles deep and covering over 70% of the Earth, isn't just sand. It's a vast expanse of salt flats, marine sediment, and underwater mountain ranges. Global wind patterns, no longer shaped by vast bodies of water, would shift violently. They would pick up trillions of tons of this fine, salty dust from the dry seabeds, creating perpetual, planet-sized dust storms. These storms would be unlike anything we've ever seen, scouring the continents, choking the air, and burying everything in their path. Cities would become modern-day Pompeii, entombed in a thick layer of salt and sediment. This is where the real nightmare for life begins. The water cycle would completely break down. No oceans means no evaporation on a massive scale. No evaporation means no clouds. And no clouds mean no rain. Anywhere, the world's rivers would run dry in a matter of weeks, fed only by the melting of glaciers and snowpacks, which themselves are finite. Agriculture would collapse globally. Without water, crops wither and die. Famine on an unimaginable scale would sweep across the globe. All terrestrial ecosystems, from the Amazon rainforest to the Siberian taiga, would begin to wither. Without rain, forests become tinderboxes, and grasslands turn to dust. Most animal life, unable to find water or food, would face a swift and brutal extinction. And what about us? Humanity's reign would come to a swift and ceremonious end. Our civilization is built on water. Without rain to replenish our reservoirs and aquifers, every source of fresh water would disappear. Dehydration would become the primary killer, followed closely by starvation. The social order would shatter. Nations would crumble. We'd be fighting over the last few drops of water from melting ice caps or deep underground wells. But even that would be a temporary reprieve. In a very short time, our bustling, vibrant world would fall silent. Ultimately, the Earth would transform into a desolate, barren wasteland. A second Mars in our own solar system. A silent, rusty red globe, endlessly scoured by salty winds under a harsh, unfiltered sun. It's a terrifying thought, but it serves as a powerful reminder. The ocean isn't just a big body of water we visit on vacation. It is the lifeblood of our world, the engine of our climate, and the cradle of all life, including our own. Its silent, rhythmic pulse is the heartbeat of the entire planet. Let's not take it for granted. Thanks for watching.